back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a brand new video. Guys, I am so super excited because this is the first time in my entire life that I will be trying faux locks, or any type of locks actually. This is the first time I'm having locks on my head. I'm gonna find out how I look with locks today. So people that have done them have told me that like the older it gets, the rougher it looks, the cuter it looks. So I'm like, that means I can carry for like a month, maybe a month and a half, maybe 2 months. That's far, I know, but you know, sometimes you just want to get away. You know, I know you relate. You can relate. All the lazy naturals out there, wave your hands in the comment section, because I know you're all there. I know you're all there. Anyway, I went to the market and I got myself these wonderful locks. I mean, look at how long. It's super. You know what? Let me stand up. Anyway, I love the texture. It's very like soft. It's also strong because I noticed that some other brands of faux locks, when you pull it, like it comes apart, but this premium mountain climbing equipment, I mean, I hope it goes well, because like I said, I've never done it before and I always do my hair myself, so I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm definitely afraid of like the middle back of my head, because like I'm like, how am I gonna you know what I'm saying? We'll see how it goes. I have already braided my hair into one so that the individual install can be a lot easier. If you want me to do a video, because I parted my hair myself, so if you want me to do a video on how I go about parting my hair, please let me know in the comment section and I'll get into that. Because if I mixed doing this part plus doing the locks, you people would have tired in the first 3 minutes. So let me just you know, focus on one thing, and the thing I want to focus on today is the locks. Okay. Oh, by the way, I got 2 packs. Each pack contained 30 locks, so that's 60 locks in total. All the braids that I did, they're exactly 60. Isn't God great? I was like, I hope 2 packs would be enough. 1 pack was 3,500, 2 packs 7,000, 3 pack 10,500. In this economy, no, I'm not doing that one. So I have my crochet pin right here, so let me turn around so y'all can see how I do this thing. Okay, so the lock has a loop here, so I'm going to use my crochet pin to pull the loop through the section to the other side, and I'm going to grab the tail of the lock and then crochet it through the loop, so that way it forms like a kind of like a knot, which I will tighten. So once the knot has been formed and tightened, it's time to move on to the next thing. I'm going to take my own hair and also crochet it through the loop so that the lock and my own hair are on the same side. After making the initial knot, my hair was kind of outside, so I'm just basically pulling it back inside. So you can see that both my hair and the lock are inside the loop now. So now that is done, I'm going to move on to the next step, which is tucking my hair into the lock. So I'm basically using the crochet pin to like pave a path for my hair in the middle of the lock. Then I'm going to latch my hair onto the crochet pin and drag it through the lock so it kind of disappears into the lock. Alright guys, so that's basically what I will be doing throughout my entire head. Wow, that wasn't so hard, but that's because it's at the side here. When I get to this middle up part, it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. So I'm just gonna put my phone on like time-lapse mode, because I'm pretty sure like I've explained, you know, what is going on. So what's left is for you guys to just watch me do it, I guess. So I'm gonna turn this into a time lapse. I ain't gonna talk too much, just enjoy the music, enjoy the views, be amazed by the fact that I'm doing my hair by myself. and see that it's actually not something that is outlandishly impossible. With practice, you'll be able to do it too. So enjoy the show, sweethearts. So that's it, guys. That's how I do it. I just feel like it's important for me to say right now that if you have watched the video to this point and have not still liked this video, koda, it's not good. Please go down now and like this video. I beg. I did not stay up all night doing these locks for you to not like this video. In fact, as you are there liking it, subscribe. In fact, share. Tell everybody that this girl stayed up all night doing her hair by herself. Gosh, I'm running mad. I'm going crazy. That's what sleep deprivation can do to you. You know what? Can we skip to the good part? Oh my god, guys, finally I'm done. And I even still had like extra 2 locks. Guys, look at what 58 locks is doing. 58 locks is giving. It's giving. Bruh, I am at this point, the ends that come out of my mouth just manage me. The way I'm tired, the way I'm sleepy, I is turning. I am so proud of what I've done here. Oh my god. For locks, I feel like yes, and yes again. Like, where have you been all my life? Like, I would definitely be doing locks again and again and again and again, and hopefully I can find locks like this that are like super long but in like different colors. Oh my god, take my money. Be sure to drop any question that you have in the comments. In case you missed it, I used 2 packs. Each pack contained 30 locks, but I still had 2 left over, so basically everything on my head is 58 locks. So yeah, and it looks really full. It looks really nice. Like, this is a what do they call that thing, a little goes a long way type of locks. So like, it's amazing. It's very, very beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to start styling it, because right now, like, it's still paining me. Remember that when you are doing your individual braids, like when you're braiding your hair first before attaching the locks, be sure to not braid too tightly, because that is not the final hairstyle. You're still going to attach something through the braids. I absolutely forgot, and I was braiding my hair as if no, that's what I want to carry outside. Now my hair is paining me. I have to wait for like maybe a couple days before I can start styling, and that's entirely my fault. It's not the fault of the locks at all. So like, when you're trying to do your locks, be sure to braid your hair a little bit loosely. You don't have to braid entirely loosely, because I mean, your hair will get rough real quick, but please allow your scalp some space to braid. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two. I hope you were entertained. Be sure to share this video with all your friends, because why nerds, so that'll be all for this video. I will catch you guys in the next one. See you later. Bye.